Good afternoon, boys and girls. Happy Star Wars week. Travis absolutely loves Star Wars, and hi, Travis. I hope you're having a good day. So today we're going to be reading a story called, it's from the movie A New Hope, which is one of the first Star Wars movies. It's called Escape from Darth Vader. It was a time of war. Rebel spies fought the sinister Empire for control of the galaxy. Oh, wow. One of the rebels was named Princess Leia. She had been given plans for the Empire's newest weapon, the Death Star. Now, Leia was on her starship heading home from Aldran. But she was not alone. An Imperial ship was chasing her. Oh, my goodness. On board Leia's ship were two droids, R2-D2 and C-3PO, sorry. C-3PO was worried. He did not like being attacked. "We're doomed," he said as the starship shook. "There'll be no escape for the princess this time." Oh, they're worried about Princess Leia. Suddenly, a loud blast rocked the ship. It had been captured. As the droids watched, the starship's main door blasted open. Stormtroopers, they're the stormtroopers, rushed through, swarming the ship. The stormtroopers fired their blasters at the rebels, and the rebels fired back. One by one, the rebels fell. Soon, the stormtroopers were in full control of the ship. Oh no, they're the bad guys. As the battle wound down, a mysterious figure emerged from the smoke. Ooh. It was Darth Vader. In the commotion, that means craziness, R2-D2 slipped away. Noticing that R2-D2 was missing, C-3PO set out to find his friend. "R2-D2, where are you?" he called. Elsewhere on the ship, that's Princess Leia, looked at the plans for the Death Star. She knew she had to keep them safe. If the Empire got the plans back, the rebels wouldn't stand a chance. Then R2-D2 appeared. That gave Princess Leia an idea. Princess Leia leaned over and began speaking to the droid. She was recording a message for someone who she hoped could help her and the Rebel Alliance. She's talking to R2-D2. "I have placed information vital to the survival of the rebellion into the memory systems of the R2 unit," she explained. When Princess Leia was done with her message, she inserted the plans of the Death Star into R2-D2. She told him where to go. She's trying to be very helpful. Princess Leia was just finishing her instructions when C-3PO found R2-D2. So exciting. "At last," he said. "Where have you been?" C-3PO pointed back at the stormtroopers. "They're heading in this direction. What are we going to do?" But R2-D2 wasn't listening. He turned around and zipped off toward the escape pods. See, that's R2-D2 and C-3PO. Princess Leia watched until she was sure R2-D2 was safe. Then, lifting her hood over her head, she crept into the shadows. There was still a chance she could get away. She's trying to hide. Meanwhile, Darth Vader is coming. Meanwhile, Darth Vader was speaking to one of his commanders. "The Death Star plans are not in the main computer." Oh my goodness. The commander reported. That did not make Darth Vader happy. "Tear this ship apart until you found those plans," he ordered, "and bring me the passengers." The stormtroopers wasted no time. They had not been searching long before they spotted Princess Leia. She tried to escape, but she was not fast enough. The troopers brought the princess to Darth Vader. Uh-oh. I want to know what happened to the plans, he told her. Princess Leia refused to speak. Darth Vader ordered his commander take her away. He would get the truth from her somehow. You think he'll get it? I don't know. We have to see. But the plans and R2-D2 were about to leave the ship. They were inside an escape pod. You're not permitted in there, C-3PO told him. It is restricted, which means they can't go in there. You'll be deactivated for sure, meaning he'll be shut down. R2-D2 just beeped at him. Secret mission? C-3PO asked. What plans? I'm not getting in there. Just then, another explosion rocked the ship. C-3PO hurried into the pod. I'm not going to regret this, he said. Or I'm going to regret this, he said. The door slammed, and the escape pod rocketed off into space. Oh, R2-D2 is safe. So exciting. A short while later, the pod landed on a desert planet named Tatooine. The plans were safe, but the droids' adventures were just beginning. See, R2-D2 and C-3PO are safe and sound for now. All right, well, hi, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed the story, and have a great weekend, and have fun. Happy Mother's Day to all. Bye.